Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What do you do after that? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Wash. Face. Brush. Teeth. Conversation.
When do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
I wash my face.
What do you do then?
I eat my breakfast.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
When do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
I wash my face.
What do you do then?
I eat my breakfast.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth. Word quiz. Brush. Face. Teeth. Wash. Conversation quiz. What did Max say?
When do you get up?
I eat my breakfast. I get up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
I wash my face. I brush my teeth. What did Lily say?
What do you do then? When do you get up?
I eat my breakfast. You did it! You were superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.